Why are EV owners more eager to install paint protection film than traditional car owners? It's not just about protecting paint, it's about adapting to the new realities of EV design and paint technology. First, EV owners place higher value on original paint protection. Because factory paint is unique and irreplaceable, they turn to PPF for gloss enhancement, scratch resistance, UV protection, and even self-healing, preserving that brand new look for years. Second, EVs come with far more color variety. BYD's Yangwang U8 offers 7 gemstone-inspired colors. Li Auto SL9 comes in gray, silver, black, green, gold, and purple. The problem? Rare paint colors are hard to repair without visible mismatches. PPF acts as insurance, reducing that risk dramatically. Third, EV paintwork is simply more complex. To meet both sustainability and aesthetics, automakers are layering eco-friendly waterborne paints, pearlescents, metallics, and even green pretreatment processes. But factory-high, temperature paint will always differ from aftermarket low-temperature repairs. The more complex the paint, the higher the risk and maintenance cost. All of this means EV growth is turning PPF from an optional upgrade into a near necessity. Subscribe for more insights into EVs, PPF, and global market trends.